Afia, what is going on? Odogu, why are you looking so fine like 10 people? You be like 10 people wey fine, where they can't join together, only you one. Anybody will see you today could just dey tell you say you too handsome. Odogu, wetin dey happen? If you like say that billion don land, Odogu, get wetin I wan gist you. Hold on, calm down. Look yourself for mirror. You see, say God just taking time on a Sunday, come create you, make you look absolutely, I go say beautifully handsome. Yes, because as I dey see you like this, look yourself now. Look yourself. You self, you know wetin I dey talk. You too fine. And Odogu, you no go good make you fine finish like this. You no go get better person wey dey style you. You wan go some kind big event, you wan go some kind better place. You no get person wey dey style. You know, plenty people dey wey dey sell cloth, Odogu, but no be everybody understand the science behind fashion. Colors dey play good role, very important in where you are going to. So don't be saying they will just tell you, wear white shirt on blue, wear this green on green. No. There's a science behind your dressing. And Odogu, make I tell you, you know say you an important person. You understand? You are an important personality. And you know go make person of your caliber come they come out when they come they look you like small boy. No. So before you step out, Odogu, I want to take care of your clothing. I want to take care of your wardrobe. Odogu, I want anytime you step out, people go know say yes, the thing where you wear match wetin in your bank account. The thing where you wear match your name. You understand? So wetin they try to tell you now be say, me as I dey like this, God, the eye wey give me, He give me this eye to see colors and combine colors and make the colors and the materials make it match your status. Odogu, forget that one. I no get another thing what they do now. The thing where God dey bless me with that. My eye they see beauty even when it never exists. So my hair will come create great combinations with materials wey go wow you. So forget all those way they tell you come and buy what I'm selling. No be them you need. You need me in your corner, Odogu, to make your reputation, your rep. You understand? To always stay on point when you go out. Odogu, you see, when I finish with you, people go they ask you, say, Odogu, what did they happen now? You be like say something, they go understand, they go notice. You understand? So I want anytime when they come out, make you be the talk of the town. When you show up, both your cologne, both the clothes where you wear, both your car, both your shoe, everything go they speak luxury. You understand? No be say the thing they expensive be the problem. Now how you take combine and now you go make people say, wow. Yes, I want you to be the talk of the town anytime you come out. Odogu, I know they style anyhow person. Now only you. See as you find now, make this your beautifully handsome look. Let me take it to the next level. You understand? So leave every other thing for me. I will handle it. Just slide into my DM or copy my number on the screen and let me give you that wow effect. It will surprise you. It will shock them. So don't wait too much, Odogu. That's your next event where they go. Let me take care of it. You understand? All those senator materials, all those jeans, all those shirts, even the clothes we wanted sleep. You understand? Because you not king now. You don't go use any kind of clothes they sleep. No say don't come back out. Now you go even inside your boxer. Everything will they speak luxury because that is who you are. And your body is more expensive than what you are putting on it. Odogu, hit me up. Let me take it off from here. I don't want to talk too much because Odogu aborogaine. You understand? So Odogu, hit me up. I'm here. My DM is very open and ready to serve you. I know they do anyhow. I did do it for Odogu, so I'm waiting for you. See you in my DM, Odogu. Twali.